Hey y'all, this is Dominique. Welcome to Dom Budgets. If you're new, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing and clicking on my videos. I really appreciate it. So today I'm doing my I'm doing my tip counting video, my weekly tip counting videos today. And I believe this is 3 weeks worth, and I also took some money out as well. But yeah, I feel like it's still a good chunk to count. I actually got really good tips this week too, so I'm just going to go ahead and separate. And I am a wax specialist. I work in the beauty industry. Let me know if y'all work in the service industry and if y'all collect cash tips, and let me know in the comments below what y'all do with y'all's cash tips. I'm really interested in, learning what others and bouncing ideas off of other people, I think I just put that the wrong way. All right. All right, starting with 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. Let me count that one more time. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So that's 180 in 20s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Plus 40 in 10s. Fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have $3.15 in cash tips over the past 3 weeks, which is pretty good, pretty good. And I'm just going to stuff this in my Snowball Debt wallet for now. I think I'm going to go ahead and start distributing my cash tips into my other sinking fund envelopes. And I just ordered some more envelopes, some new ones. I'm so excited about that. Be on the lookout for that, I guess. But yeah, I think that's how I'm going to distribute this money. That way I can build my sinking funds quicker. And put out more content as well. So, add this real quick. Plus 315 plus 87. That's 402. Pretty good. All right, so that is it for this video, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I appreciate the support. Y'all have a blessed day and a good weekend. I'll see y'all guys on my next one. Bye.